I think I'm still growing as a teacher, yeah? I don't think you ever reach that point where you say, oh, I've learned it all now, because, you know, you think about you go into class, you don't know what the student's going to ask you, okay? It could be a completely, left field question, and you think, oh, okay.
I don't mind scrapping some of the lesson that I've prepared in order to, talk about something that is actually topical in the class, that, we're already on this, let's make this class just go with the flow.
Every student learns differently, and I have to adjust my teaching on the spot. So I have to be very spontaneous. Some people are good at listening, some people are good at speaking, some people are better at writing.
You're constantly just, juggling, what works, what doesn't work, okay? And again, what works in one class may not work in another class, So that's why when you're teaching, you have to roll with the punches all the time.
In some classes, there are students who are having a hard time pronouncing words, and I'll work with them and I'll say, okay, look at my mouth, and it just doesn't work, and it doesn't work. And then finally something clicks and they get it, and it's awesome because they're happy, I'm happy.
I want to make sure they're never shy or they're never afraid to make mistakes. It's okay to make mistakes because that's how you learn, right? If you don't make mistakes, you're not learning anything.
We can give you guidance, we can give you things, but you need to work with me. It's a two-way street. I'm going to help you, you're going to help me, and together, we're going to put you into a position where your English does improve, and you can then start having a conversation. But you need that two-way street, and that's one of the things that you as a teacher need to build up.
I would think, okay, how would I benefit from this class? How can I make it more interesting? How would it make me feel interested?
Because it can be difficult sometimes to stand in front of a classroom and to see blank faces of people who are not necessarily interested in what I'm saying. But the times when it's a group of students who are really, really excited about the topic, and they've gotten totally into it, and the class flies by, those are really good days.